Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to explain what to do if you lose your Wise debit card, step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1, report your lost card immediately. Log into your Wise account or app, go to the Cards section and select your lost debit card. Choose the option to freeze or report it as lost to prevent unauthorized use. Step 2, order a replacement card. Once you've reported the card lost, you can order a new Wise debit card directly through the app or website. Make sure your delivery address is up to date. Step 3, monitor your account. Check your transaction history regularly to spot any suspicious activity. If you notice any unauthorized transactions, contact Wise support immediately. Step 4, update your payment info. When you receive your new card, update your card details on any subscriptions or services linked to your Wise debit card to avoid payment interruptions. Tip, keep your card details and PIN secure and never share them with anyone. That's it. You're now ready to handle a lost Wise debit card safely and quickly. If this helped, please like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.